I can't even believe I'm about to say this right now, but pack with me to go to France for 2 weeks. I can't believe it. Like, I actually can't believe it. But here's the thing. It's not going to be your typical pack with me because I actually need to severely underpack. I am actually only going with a carry-on. So I am not going to be checking in a bag for my 2-week trip around France. France has a lot of stores that we don't have here in Canada. And you know me, I love to do shopping, whether it's clothing, makeup, skincare, all of that, perfumes even. And France is the place to do shopping, so that is exactly what I have planned. My luggage, and before anybody says anything, if you have anything to say, I have sanitized, wiped this down before putting it on my bed, and realistically I can also just wash my sheets. So your girl is a bed packer. I know some people also pack on the floor, but I'm not going to film myself sitting on the floor, so this is what we got going on. First thing I'm making sure of is that this is not extended, so it does extend a little bit. I want to say probably like an inch more if you undo the zipper, but right now it's closed, which is great because I'm going to use that to my advantage when I come back and have this absolutely exploding full of clothes and everything. If you're watching this video the day that I upload it, I will actually be leaving in 72 hours, so if you think that I forgot anything, need to add anything, need to take anything out, let me know down in the comments ASAP. That way I will still see it before going, because like I said, I still have 72 hours from when you guys watch this that I will be on the plane with my boyfriend to go to France, which shout out to him because he is the whole reason that we're going. This is kind of like an early birthday surprise. Shout out to him because without him I literally would not be going, so I'm so excited. My goal is to basically go with only like half of my luggage full. It's a lot easier said than done, but that's what we're going to try, so let's start trying on outfits. Starting off with the south of France, we are landing there first before making our way over to Paris, so I'm just going to kind of show you in a little bit of order of how I'm planning my outfits. Obviously this could be worn either way, however I think this would look really nice exploring like Saint Tropez or Monaco. The back is open back. I know it might be a little bit colder there right now. It has been very rainy the last couple days that I've been checking the weather, but I will be bringing 1 or 2 jackets. This is a great romper. It does look like a dress, but it is shorts. It's not a dress, it's just like flowy shorts at the bottom, which I thought was really great. Very simple, lightweight, and I just love the detail of this. This is a romper from Shein. Very easy to put on. It has a zipper and then you just tie the back, which Pablo will obviously help me like fix that up all nicely. It's a little bit harder doing it by one's self, but this is outfit number 1. Okay, outfit number 2, also look how tiny the romper just folded, so this is perfect for packing very lightly, so I'm gonna pack that super tiny. This is the second dress. I'm actually iffy on this. I actually brought it to Italy when I went with my boyfriend and I just took a photo in it. I thought I wore it all day, but I guess not, but I'm not too sure if I love it. The back is open. This is from Urban Planet. I think it was around like $10 to $15, so super inexpensive. Does not have shorts underneath it though. However, I will be bringing my Lululemon Align 4-inch shorts, so these ones are just the tiny ones to go under all the dresses and outfits that I have that need shorts that don't have them under. Can you guys tell me if I should bring it or not, or if it's safer to just leave it at home and then purchase something that I absolutely love while I'm there? So we're gonna keep this one as a maybe. Okay, you know what, I'm thinking I like this purple more than the green, so for now I'm gonna take out the green, but if I change my mind I can always put it back in. But I'm gonna swap out the green for this. I'm thinking this in Nice is gonna look really nice. Pablo and I have a car rented out already, so we're gonna go through those like little towns like Ez, Caen, all the other like little stops that we can make along the way. Okay, next up we have this dress, which I promise I'm also bringing neutrals, which I'll show you in a little bit, but I know it's a lot of color and maybe a lot of people don't like color, but this is just like how I want to dress when I'm there, so I will be bringing some neutrals as well. But this dress we purchased in Italy from a small little boutique and I really like this one. Back is just open. Very flowy, very comfortable. Also has built-in padding, which is great. Again, no shorts underneath. I do have this dress in another color. It's like more yellow with purple flowers, but I just really want to bring this one with the red flowers. So we're gonna bring this one. Pausing the color just for a little bit. This is the small little black dress that I am bringing with me. I feel like you need a staple black dress, so this is the one I'm going for. It's actually new from Aritzia. It is the Martine dress. They do have one that's like a staple that they've had for a very long time. This is the newer one with a different material that I like a lot more. I will have it linked in the description in case you want to shop, but I just picked this one up. I think it is so cute. It fits really, really nice, and this again might wear for Monaco or even in Paris. I feel like you can't go wrong with a little black dress. It's very versatile, can wear it anywhere, and then I can just pop a jacket over top. Very easy to style, so this is the one I'm going for. And again, it is going to be super, super easy to just fold up. The material is lightweight, has some ruffles over here, a little bow over here. Straps are adjustable at the back. Over down there you can kind of adjust it to how you like it, so I think it's great. It's also not too short, but again, no shorts underneath. I'm also going to be bringing a long black dress. This is from Shein. I think it's a great staple. Very thin straps, just super plain. It is long down to the ground, but it does not drag on the floor, which is great. And the back, as always, very open, very cutesy. We have a few reservations that I think this is just going to be really pretty for. We have one in Nice, and then as well as Paris, our first night there. We are going to a beautiful restaurant, so I'm so excited, and I think this is what I'm going to wear. I'm going to try to stick all my outfits in this, like every single dress outfit that I'm bringing. It's going to go in here, and then I'm going to also use this one for socks, pajamas, underwear, etc, etc. So these are the only two that I have. Then I'm going to stick it in here. Hopefully we can do that. So far it's looking okay. We have 4 options and the bag still has a lot of room. So that is what I'm thinking for the south of France. They do also have a Berkshire and I think Pull&Bear, which are 2 stores we don't have here where I'm from. At least we can order online, but you know, shipping and everything is a little bit iffy, especially if I don't know what size I am. And my boyfriend and I went to a Berkshire in Italy and he bought so many things, and I can now buy a lot of things because I'm not gonna overpack. This is the next outfit, which I'm not too sure if I want to bring the belt bag, but I showed you guys this in a haul. It's obviously from Lululemon. I'm not sure if I want to bring this, but it does match really nicely with my Disney ears. Of course we are going to Disneyland Paris, and of course we had to get the Beauty and the Beast ears. Look how stunning these are. They're actually not available at the Paris park, which is why I purchased them online ahead of time. I just wanted to have these ears. Of course I want to wear Beauty and the Beast ears. I mean, like, come on, do you not see those photos in every single video? Of course I would choose Beauty and the Beast ears. However, I do also want to buy the mini sparkle ears, but I just think they're so cute, and I went with an all white outfit because honestly I didn't really have a yellow kind of outfit or even a blue one because those are her 2 colors that she wears, but she does also wear a bit of white under the blue, so I thought an all white outfit. There's also built-in shorts with pockets on the side. This is the Court Rival skirt from Lululemon, top from Aritzia, belt bag from Lululemon, and the ears from Shop Disney. I'm also probably gonna wear this jacket at night. Can somebody let me know if you've been to Disneyland Paris if they have lockers? From what I'm reading, they did have lockers, so I might actually bring a backpack or just like an extra bag to put nighttime clothes in, so like longer pants and then this jacket as well, so I can just change at night when it does get a little bit colder. But this is my jacket of choice that I'm going to also be wearing at the airport, so I'm not even going to have to pack this, but it's from Lululemon. Very, very lightweight and very nice quality, but it is insulated, so it's going to keep me nice and warm. Next up, we got the exact same outfit but in an all black. However, I'm also kind of debating. I just got this Lululemon Align skirt in. It's like a mini skirt. It does also have built-in shorts, but it is just a little bit shorter than this. This is more flowy. Again, this is the Court Rival skirt. It also does have built-in shorts, and then the black top is from Aritzia, but I'm not too sure if I like this skirt more. Let's try this one on. Okay, so this is the Court Rival one, and this is the Align. As I said, it is a mini, however, it does have the built-in shorts, and this one isn't as flowy as the Court Rival one, but this one is pretty tiny. But I also feel like this one would be cute if I find a top there that I like and I don't have a bottom to match it. This super easy to style, pretty skin tight. I got it in a size 2, which is my typical size for Align. Probably gonna bring both of them. This isn't really going too well, if I'm being completely honest. I feel like I'm not underpacking. Next up we have this like jean t-shirt dress. So it is a dress. It is long, as you can see, and it also has pockets, which is great to like store cash or anything. Just put like my little wallet. I also do want to buy a belt. I think it'll be a lot more flattering with a belt. This runs large. This is actually a double extra small, and it is pretty baggy on me still. I'm iffy on this one too, so can you guys let me know? I'm bringing sandals, flats, and sneakers are the 3 shoes that I'm bringing, but just not sure I'm loving it, and it is a little bit more bulkier because the material. But also I feel like at night walking around like Nice or Paris, this is going to be a nice option, especially because it has long sleeves. So if I get a little chilly, I can also wear more clothes underneath it as well, like little shorts that I have on. I also do have a t-shirt underneath right now as well, just because I was a little lazy to take it off. Like it has the Aritzia one still under that I just wore, plus the bottoms to that, so that'll add an extra layer of heat and comfort. But I don't know. And this is the last outfit. I bought this hat while we were in Italy, and it matched perfectly with the little flowers on this romper. It looks like a dress, but again, it does have its own like built-in shorts. Back is open. I want to see if I can find like a nice jean jacket while we're there, so I'm only bringing that one in hopes, fingers crossed, I find another jacket and I can just bring that bag with me and put it on top of all the outfits. Also forgot to mention, these cargo joggers that I was wearing at the beginning of the video are from Lululemon, and I'm thinking this is going to be my airport outfit. I'm usually a sweatpant and baggy sweater girly, but just for the sake of space, I think I'm gonna bring these, because these are also super easy to style with other items that I might find there. And if it is colder at night, I feel like this is a little bit more dressed up than just plain joggers are. So bringing this one. Also gonna wear the Lululemon jacket, and I'm not sure what shirt I'm gonna wear with it just yet, but we'll figure that out a little bit later. Right now we're gonna make everything fit into this teeny tiny packing cube. Also, this is my favorite Lululemon bag, personal item. This is the best bag ever. They discontinue it and recently came out with a newer kind of version of it, but honestly I like this one a lot better, but the other one is still a great alternative. I'm not inclined to buy that one just because I have these ones and think they are great. But this is what it looks like, and it's not structured, so trust me when I say you can stuff this so big, and no airline has ever given me any issue bringing this as a personal item. And then for my makeup, toiletries, all of that, as usual, I'm going to bring it in this bag, which I already have some travel size products in here. Also going to bring this with me so I can fill it up with products that I buy there, skincare, all of that. So this is just going to go empty on the way there, bring it back filled with products. And I'm going to fill these up, which these are from Shein, super inexpensive. I'm going to put all my creams and everything in there, and then stuff it in my beige travel bag, which I love this one. Super pretty, 2 different compartments, and also has a mirror. Actually, I need to show you the shoes that I'm bringing. So my trusted Lululemon Blissfeel triple white sneakers. I'm gonna wear this at the airport just because they're the bulkiest. Sandals of choice, these are from Steve Madden. I think I got them like 2 years ago. They are super comfy. I love walking with them. They don't hurt my feet. And last but not least, we have Zara ballet flats. I don't have any, and these have been very trendy, and I saw these on Zara and I thought they were really pretty, so I got these ones. I like how they have the strap going across from it. I didn't like how my feet looked without the strap. I don't know, so that's just a personal preference. So I am bringing these ones with me as well, and I like that they came in the bag. One more thing before we actually start packing: airtight bags will save you on vacation. I am obsessed with these. I like these a lot more than packing cubes. My parents actually showed me this, and I'm telling you, I will never go back to bringing just packing cubes. I'm only using these on the way back. I'm bringing 4 of them, 2 for me, 2 for Pablo, obviously, so on the way back we can put it in there. That way he'll also have extra room. So now I'm actually going to pack, but keep in mind, again, I'm only bringing those 4 on the way back. I'm going to use the packing cube right now to fit everything. We'll see how it goes. So this is what it's looking like. We have a little bit less than half the bag pretty empty just for the ears so they don't get too squished. Overall, pretty happy with my luggage. And again, it does just close off. Alright guys, that is it. I am officially packed and ready to go to France. 72 hours we will be leaving. If you also have specific videos you want to see, leave those down in the comments below. I'm doing like shopping vlogs, luxury shopping vlogs, food videos, trying out all the foods. Also probably going to do a Disney vlog. I've never done a Disney vlog, which I'm so excited for, but like I just can't believe it. I literally like I'm so excited. I'm so excited and so ready to just hop on that plane and go have some fun. But I will also be uploading some content while I'm away. I will be showing you guys my entire like $10,000 Lululemon collection, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully I can edit it while we're on the plane and get that all like situated to go for you guys, so you'll still be getting content while I'm in France. But if you want to see like the most up-to-date content, make sure you are following me on Instagram. My stories will be flooded. I can't believe it. I literally cannot believe that we're going to Paris. Okay, I gotta go because I'm just gonna sit here forever and just keep saying the same thing over and over. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!